Everything all right? Fish on. Good bass. Has just taken my lure and he's got me right up in those snags. That's a real good one. We're out here today testing the brand new Daiwa Revelry that's just hit the stores. We're gonna go and fish this skinny creek for some Australian bass and test out the performance on the reel.
4:30 a.m. ready to rock and roll. This guy a tourist or something? Are we ready? Let's go catch some big old bass.
Fish on. That's the first bass on the new Revelry. She's only a small one, but we'll take it. Yes. Oh man, splashed me right in the eye, man. Got our first bass just out of this small bass hole here. Flicked up that little kicker curly right up into the snags, and this fish couldn't resist it. Got it on the brand new Revelry. This reel's got a lot of potential, I tell ya. Very smooth, and I'm very happy and excited to use it more often. And there she is, nice little bass. We're gonna go and walk on and get some bigger ones. Away she goes. Yeah, that's nice, man. Just don't get it into any trees, mate. Try not to cause too much of a ruckus because we don't want to spook the bass. Essentially what we're trying to do is fish these deeper holes, get them right up to the trees over there. That's where the big old bass will be sitting. The best thing to do in these situations is to cover as much water as you can, because you just never know where these fish are sitting. Every snag is a potential. Just gonna scare all the bass, mate. Just lost my footing there. Let's keep walking through and see what we can get over there. We're walking upstream, mind you, so hopefully the further up we go, the better the fishing gets. So far it's just been a couple of fish, a couple of boils, nothing too drastic. We're here to test out the new Revelry, so let's see if we can find a fish that's going to peel some drag. Oh, that log there, mate, that's definitely got a bass on it. Bro, that is absolutely ideal. I'm going to go in that right corner. There has to be. I want to get it right into that corner there. Just don't want to get too close so I don't spook anything. But I think right up in there, there should be a bass. As long as there's a bit of depth. There we go. It's a small one, but I saw it come out and eat it. I visually saw that one come out and bang, just smashed it, yeah. As soon as I saw it come out, I just paused it. Just a little tack. Put you back in. All right, we've lost the boys. I'm gonna have to try to find the river. There's a cow there, mate. Yo! Don't do nothing funny. Don't charge at me, please, Mr. Cow. I'm friendly. I don't want to die today. He's eyeing me out. Don't look at me like that, mate. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. Oh, no. They've all come and check me out. Right, I'm just passing through, mate. Not going to hurt you. I'm sure we'll find them sooner or later. But for now... Ugh, nice deep pocket over there. They're probably in there for sure. This is nice. I think I've just come across a spot that's going to hold some good fish. Yeah, look at that. It's deep on the other edge. Whew, let's go. Surely this is the spot. Who's a good girl? Get him! Hey. Come and bloody sniff me out. Why am I walking at the back, bro? Move, man. She's coming.
Keep going.
Like that. Yep. There we go.
That's a better one, Ad.
Is it?
Yeah, bloody hell.
I better walk in there because it's quite shallow and it'll get me on the rocks. But I knew there was going to be a bass sitting in there. Yeah, that's a better fish. That's a better fish. Now it's right up in the open where we want it. That's a nice dark golden bass. Australian bass at its absolute finest. Come on. Let's get you out of there. Yeah, she's not bad. I knew there was going to be one sitting up in that pocket there. And there she is. There she is.
Give me 40. Close to.
Yeah. There she is.
No, maybe in the high 30s.
Yeah, high 30s, I reckon. Kikker curly, does the job once again. And a brand new Revelry. Absolutely fantastic reel, smooth as butter.
Knew it.
Not a bad fish. She's not too fat, but she's a long one. She's going about 41 odd centimeters. We'll get a couple of snaps of her and get her back into the water. Brand new Revelry, done the job just fine. Very happy with it. Very smooth reel. Absolutely awesome. Let's hope we get some more fish like this and some better fish. Let's go and get some more.
You on your face in this one?
Ugh, gone. Yep. Oh, dropped it.
There you go.
Fish on. It's just a small one. Hey. I thought it was small. It's just grown the closer it got in. He's not bad.
Yeah, nice.
You would think there's one in there, man. Like you see a deep pocket in the corner. Yeah. Oh. Over the log. Yep. Do you see it come out and smash it?
I heard it, yeah.
Oh, he's coming out for it. He wants it. He just hit it again. He just hit it a second time. Got him. Third time lucky. That's a small one. Third time lucky. Little fella, grow up or call mommy and papa. I wasn't recording, but a good bass has just taken my lure. Oh, and he's got me right up in those snags. That's a real good one. Probably another 40s model, but this one's giving me some curry. Oh no, I can feel him rubbing on something. This one's got some go to it. I'll back off the drag a bit now that he's out in the open, and I'll follow him out there. It's a shame I wasn't recording. You get a bit restless throughout the session. All right, come in here. Yeah, that's a nice old bass. A good old bass. Whoa, 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 just lost my footing there. Yeah, she's a nice one, aren't ya? Come on, get it up on the land before we drop it. That's well and truly a 40 plus. Well and truly a 40 plus. And we've got the Kikker stinger hooks, 2 of them right in its mouth. Have a look at the size of that beauty. That's a good fish. This is a real good fish. Got me from right underneath the tree. Didn't expect that. We're walking back towards the car, and this beauty came out and absolutely smashed that little frog there. I've got the Kikker stinger hooks right in the corner of the mouth. I thought I'd hook up some assist hooks to the back of this frog, but have a look at that. Absolutely beautiful green and gold bass. Let's put this beauty back and hopefully get a bigger one. 44 centimeters, you gotta be happy with that. Wild River beauty on the brand new 24 Certate in all of its glory. G'day. How are ya? Everything all right? Oh, we're just walking along the river. Hey, mate. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Don't eat them.
Definitely.
Bass.
You do a bit of bass fishing yourself? No? Does it get deeper or is it...
Okay. Alright then, bud.
We'll go for a bit of a walk and then we'll probably just head back out, jump right onto the road and go back to the car. Okay? We'll stay on the riverbed anyway. We're not going to go onto any properties or anything like that. Okay?
Alright then, bud.
Okay, mate. You have a lovely day.
Gonna announce the Bass Pro Hat giveaway winner. The winner is Joe's Gone Fishing 101. Congratulations, Joe. Send me an email or an inbox on Instagram and we'll get the prize out to you. But don't go anywhere, guys, because this next video I compare the brand new 24 Revelry to the old one. I'll see you all there.